Okay, I'd like to welcome you to World Record Raisin Eating Competitions. Wait a minute, boy, he's ready to go. This Tobias Peter Hibberd here from England, representing England in the international. And hold on, start at the beginning. And after I say go, ready, steady, go. And we're going for 1 raisin and 2 raisins, 3 raisins, 4, he's going strong, 5, and he's going for the personal best now. He's completed the 6, 7, oh my goodness, he has gone to 8 raisins. Let's hear it for Tobias Peter Hibberd. Yay! Yay, yay, yay! 1 leg. Yay! There he goes. Where he stops, nobody knows. And he's doing his lap of honour now. And thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and goodbye. Say goodbye.